Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, it is class 12th business studies, and today we are going to know that what are the different techniques of controlling. Controlling, as you know, it is the process of bringing about conformity of performance with planned actions. जैसे हमने कुछ प्लान बनाया है किसी काम के लिए और हम देखते हैं कि हमारा प्लान जो है उसके तहत हमारा प्रोसेस जो है, हमारा काम जो है, हमारे वर्कर जो है वो उसी के तहत चलते हैं या नहीं. यानी द प्रोसेस इज गोइंग ऑन in accordance with the plans that we have already made to achieve the organizational goals. So this process is known as controlling. So today let us know that what are the different techniques of controlling. Dear students, there are various techniques of controlling. That is the managerial control, because it is the manager who is controlling authority. The various techniques of managerial control, they have been classified into two categories. First is traditional techniques and second is modern techniques. You have only to know here the different techniques of this controlling. So first let us know that what are the traditional techniques of controlling. Among the traditional techniques we have personal observation. As you know that a manager personally observes the activities, the process that is going on. He just sees that what are the workers doing, whether they are going in accordance with the these organizational goals, whether they are going at the right track to achieve these organizational goals, the target that we have fixed. So this is known as personal observation, when a manager personally observes the activities. The second is statistical reports. Just he doesn't personally observe things, but he trusts the statistical reports, that whatever the reports come to him, that this is the performance that has been shown by the workers, that has been shown, this is the profit and loss account, or these are the sales accounts, or different things that come to him, he has to trust them. So he controls the statistical reports. He sees in the reports that what are the different deficiencies that we are going to face, what are the different weaknesses that we have suffered during our previous report, during our previous budget or anything. So it is statistical report that he has to rely upon the reports prepared by others. This is traditional technique. Second. Third is